Huh?
I want to walking
Not far away, okay?
far away.
Hello.
Bye bye. Jadi hari ini aku mau, dia nggak peduli guys. Aku pengen nge-vlog sore-sore. Aku pengen lihat udara di luar tuh gimana. Kita lihat tuh, dia pasti ngikutin guys. Padahal aku udah bilang aku pengen nge-vlog sendiri, cuma pengen jalan-jalan, tapi dia ngikutin guys. Takut kali ya, padahal istrinya kan gak bisa kemana-mana kecuali terbang. Gue kan gak punya sayap. Aku cuma pengen lihat ini kesini tuh ada apa aja, karena selama ini aku belum pernah kemana-mana guys. Jadi kayak cuman diem aja di rumah. Tuh kan ada bodyguard aku di belakang. Here, I want to see. Pengen lihat aja guys, di sini tuh ada apa kan gitu loh. Penasaran. Kalian mau lihat? Nah, ternyata itu ada kucing kayak gini. Sayang, what is this?
Other place? Other road?
Hah? Home?
Oh, yeah.
Aku udah mau bu. Sayang, what is this?
Shala?
This is eating?
Yeah.
Sore.
This tree not mine. And owner maybe not that.
No, I just want to know this is sore. Oh, this is same like in soap, right?
Yeah. You want to taste?
No.
No.
You said this is not yours.
You want to taste or not?
Only one.
Only one.
Not washing. No need washing.
No need, yeah.
What is this?
Shala.
Rasanya asam banget guys. You want?
What's it for?
Kita jalan-jalan. Nah, di sini tuh. I want to in there. Last time. Di sini ada lagi mawar guys. Ini warna pink. Yang di depan rumah aku warnanya merah. Ada orang guys. Aku mau pulang aja. Someone coming. Let's go. Let's go. Sayang, this is someone coming.
This is one. Come. This eating with salt.
Salt.
Yeah.
This is in Indonesia same like sour mango, and we can eat with rujak.
Huh?
Rujak. Kita kembali ke rumah, guys. Kita kembali ke apartemen.